Hello everyone. So today we will start with the mock test 11 of English comprehension. So let's begin. Pilots must abstain dash alcohol for 24 hours before flying. So pilots must abstain from alcohol. His essential innocence reflected in his eyes. Synonym of essential, elemental. Next question. Monica's friend, which is a dentist, joined them the next day. So Monica's friend, who is the dentist? Who is a dentist? Okay, next question. The flowers and vegetation of a certain region. Flora होता है. ठीक है, next question. Neither Sangeeta nor her friend play football. Plays football होगा. ठीक है, next question. Close-fisted man, miser. Idiom का होगा. Then the stream of invective from some sectors of the press continues to assail the government. तो invective का opposite पूछा है. Opposite होगा praise. ठीक है. Next question. The men said it was early 19th century and oak. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport on a roll-top desk. B. I wanted one, but they were far too expensive. Okay, I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport, a roll-top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. I had wanted one. और last होगा C. This was in a bad condition. ठीक है. Next question. If we have, okay, grammatical error. If we have taken a taxi, we would not have missed the plane. So if we have, okay, ये वाला लगाते हैं. Next question. We must avoid facile recriminations about who was to blame. Okay, ये वाला लगाते हैं. Next question. We must avoid facile recriminations about who was to blame. Opposite. Complicated. Okay, next question. A period of dry weather that is injurious to crops. Drought. Next question. Crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. B. Every Monday on his way back from work, Vipin Chaudhary would drop it at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. B के बाद D. He had to buy at least 5 at a time. So A, C, B, D, A, C. Okay, next question. People seem to mix up these two funny little words all over the place. Error. ठीक है, ये लगाते हैं. Next question. The idea was not to have any pretense. का similar. Okay, disguise. Next question. Look before you leap. To think or learn about the possible bad results of an action before doing it. Next question. Health is a state of well-being and a well is used to draw water from the ground. Next. God सही है. Grandeur, glamorous ये गलत है. ठीक है. Next question. I like to watch. Okay, watching होगा. I like watching sci-fi movies. The cloth is dash to touch, so it is not suitable for April's course. Next. Kofi Annan proceeded before Ban Ki-moon as the Secretary General of the UN. Proceeded before. ठीक है. Next question. The National Education Policy 20 announced by the Ministry of Human Resource Development sets for itself the goal of transforming the system to meet the needs of 21st century India. In a domestic system, any educational reform can be implemented only with support from states, and the center has the giant task of building a consensus on the many ambitious plans. Next question. The policy inter alia aims to eliminate problems of dash structural inequalities, access asymmetries, problems of pedagogy. Next. Okay, fail to meet the aspirants for multidisciplinary actions in structural terms. The NEP's measures to dash early childhood education. To introduce early childhood education, move away from the rote learning. Okay, save. Yes, submit the test. Submit. Okay, 40. Let's see the solutions. ठीक है, तो इसमें गलत देखते हैं. 4, एक 9th वाला. If we have taken a taxi, we would not have missed the plane. If we have होगा. तो the error is in the part if we have. तो इसका होना चाहिए if we have should be replaced by if we had to make the sentence correct. If we had rained you, if it had rained you would have gotten wet. तो इसमें यही है if we had taken a taxi. ठीक है, 12th one. ओके, तो इसका करेक्ट सीक्वेंस BADC होगा. लाइक एवरी मंडे ऑन हिज way back from work, Vipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's new market to buy books, crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. Then he lived alone, was not a mixture, had few friends and didn't spending time in idle chat. ओके, तो उसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा BADC. नेक्स्ट. ओके, तो इसका आंसर गलत है. टू मिक्स्ड अप. टू मिक्स्ड अप इसलिए होगा क्योंकि टू के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आता है, इसलिए टू मिक्स अप होना चाहिए. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके सॉरी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 13th के बाद हमारा 21 रॉन्ग है. तो डोमेस्टिक नहीं होगा, फेडरल होना चाहिए. इन अ फेडरल सिस्टम. ठीक है. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू. आई होप ये मॉक टेस्ट आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल रहा होगा. प्लीज़ मॉक टेस्ट इंग्लिश के और सभी एग्जाम्स के जो मैं अपलोड करती हूँ उनको देखते रहिए, अपने मार्क्स शेयर करते रहिए. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स. थैंक यू. बाय.